Do you want to know a quick tip to solve any physics problem? If so, continue watching this video. One of the most important tips to solve any physics problem is unit analysis. But what is unit analysis? Unit analysis is the idea of making sure that in any calculation, the units make sense. Let's analyze some typical units for values measured in physics. The units of force are newtons, which are equal to kilograms times meters per second squared. The unit for acceleration is meters per second squared. Velocity is meters per second. And the unit for position is meters. These are a few example quantities that one measures in physics, but how does this tip help? This can be more clearly understood using an example. So let's say I'm solving for a force and I use Newton's second law and I derive the following equation where force is equal to mass divided by position times acceleration. Let's just put in some random values for the mass, position, and acceleration. And let's just assume that we don't divide the units. We just remember that force is equal to newtons. We just compute the amplitude, and so we get 0.5 newtons for the final answer. But is this answer correct? The way to find out is use unit analysis. Our answer should be kilograms times meters per second squared for our final units. So if we look at our equation here, we can divide the amplitudes just like we did before. So we already know that the amplitude is correct, 0.5. But if we look at the units here, kilograms divided by meters per second squared is equal to kilograms times second squared divided by meters squared. This is not the same as a Newton. Therefore, the answer is not correct, which means if the units don't make sense, that our 0.5 answer also does not make sense because we didn't solve for a force. We solved for some unknown quantity. So this tip can be an additional tool to help verify if your answer is correct. The units must make sense.